Hey there friends, today I am sharing how I created this 12 by 12 inch pocket page using the brand new Elle Studio November 2022 kit and add-ons. Really excited to share this one with you, so let's get right to it. I am starting out with my photos, and I typically like to add those in a checkerboard pattern. On this page I have 6 total photos, all printed using the Collect app, and I've divided my kit into two kind of sections. One that's more fall, which is what I'm using today, and the other that's more holiday. And so I put the holiday aside and I'm just focusing on the fall tags and die cuts right now. I love that about the November kit is that it is kind of a mix of fall and Christmas. I'm grabbing the Adventure paper stack because this paper stack has the greatest papers in it, and this one here is like a topography map, and it's perfect for the photo of our hike. I'm also grabbing this green grid. There's a lot of green and a pale teal and orange in this kit, and so I'm kind of playing off of those colors, especially the ones in that heart tag right in the upper right hand corner. I also have the November labels, and labels are just so fun. You can do anything with them. For this one, I wanted to add a little bit more green to that bottom right corner to offset the green in the top left corner. So I'm adding that to the bottom of that tag from the monthly kit and just putting it right on there. That tag with the frame is perfect for an extra photo of my daughter making Mickey head marshmallows. That was a really nice treat that we had last October. And I also wanted to add a little die cut directly to my photo that says together on our hike photo. Now, this is the 2022 month die cuts. These are awesome if you're planning your 2023 projects already. So they have the months in this sans serif, this big chunky sans serif, as well as a script. They are so fun. I'm adding November 2021 to this 4x6 tag, and I'm using the new white and navy Jane tile alphabet cardstock stickers to spell out the year. Now this is another one of my favorite sticker sets this month. These are the frame stickers, and not only do they have fun like Polaroid style frames, but they also have little photo corners and stars and things like that. So I printed out another photo from our hike. It's actually the photo on the trail sign, and I'm adding that to the back of the frame photo. Next, I'm going to add one of my favorite photos from the month, and I'm putting that on the title card there. That's a photo of my daughter who had just gotten her COVID vaccine. And so that was kind of one of the highlights of the month. And so I wanted to put that right on the title card, and I'll put some journaling below the November 2021 title. I used the Adventure paper sack to add that green pattern behind. And then I'm putting So Thankful right below it. And that So Thankful is from the frame stickers. Next, I'm grabbing orange because I have orange in the upper right corner and in the middle. I want to kind of spread that around. And I'm grabbing this orange pattern from the Adventure paper stack. It's kind of a chevron, which I really like, and just adding a little border. It's almost like adding a piece of washi. And that's going to run directly through my photo. And then I'll just put a little die cut on the right side that matches. Really love the way that that turned out. It kind of moves your eye from the left to the right across the page. Now, this labels, ledgers, and tabs die cuts, it's a huge pack of die cuts, and you have so many fun labels and ledgers and tabs. There are just so many different colors and sizes and shapes, so be sure to check that out in my unboxing video. This is the holiday fun stamp. Definitely a fun stamp to use on your projects, and it has a really great font. So I'm using Sapphire from Close to My Heart here to stamp on this label underneath my daughter's photo. So it says Magic Captured. she really had fun making these. So definitely a highlight of the month. We also had fun eating them too. So I'm adding that there, and I definitely want to put something to the right of that phrase, which is why I left it blank there. Want to add something like puffy or something to do with food, and so I'll check out what I have in my stash. This little die cut I am popping up on my photo down here at the bottom left. Just a few touches of navy here are really going to add a bit of contrast. I'm going to use the same stamp to add out and about to that bottom right label. And really the reason why I did that was because that was our first time having brunch out since we had my son. I also grabbed the adventure paper stack because this pattern, it's like a hiking pattern. It's absolutely perfect. So I used my 1-inch hole punch there to punch out that tree. Like it's like a circle with a saying in it and a tree in the middle. Absolutely perfect for that photo. And I love the layered look there with the frame sticker underneath of it. Look at all these fun circles. You can have them in every color. So that fits really perfectly right there next to the magic captured phrase. And then I can add a sticker right to the center of that. I also want to add a little touch of orange down there on the bottom right. So that kind of creates that nice diagonal of little orange. To add a little bit of shine, I'm using the gold heart and star stickers. They're really pretty. And that star right in the center of the orange label looks really, really cute. I'm also grabbing the Magical Memories Puffy Circle stickers to add to that photo of my daughter with the Mickey heads. I love these stickers, and I think this is my second pack that I've used here. So there is one that's actually perfect on that set that says Good Eats. And so I'm going to grab that and add that right to the center of my teal circle. And I'm also going to use that yellow one, the heart, up here on my title page because it's kind of the perfect yellow for this fall page. Now the Good Eats is a little bit smaller than the large circles in here, so the ears don't really fit on there, so I'm just leaving it as is. I'm also going to layer up my punch circle with a die cut heart from the monthly kit to add that to the bottom right corner of my framed photo there. I really love the way that that looks too. It's such a simple page, but there's still lots of layers, there's still lots of color play. I'm also adding a few of the autumn puffy heart and star stickers because I love the different patterns on those and the different colors, and a few more of those matte gold heart and star stickers. So not too much embellishment really needed on this page. Lastly, I'm going to do a bit of stamping play in that tag up here in the upper right hand corner because it's just dying to be stamped on. So I'm using the medium hazel to stamp the first letter of every word. And I'm doing that first just so I'm not going back and forth between my stamps. Still using sapphire here to stamp, and which is my favorite navy ink from close to my heart. And I love the way that this looks already. Then I'm grabbing the regular hazel stamp, and you can really see here the size difference between the two, the medium hazel. See there, you have about a good 1/8 of an inch smaller. And so really I'm just highlighting my favorite parts of this month. And doing that, I just looked at all of my photos from November and just took out the highlights, stamping each word. And I love to stamp the letters individually, and that's because I can get them closer together when I'm not adding them to the acrylic block altogether. So adding the word home here, and because this word is so short, it's going to allow me to put a little extra embellishment on this tag. Then the word family. It's definitely my favorite tag in the monthly kit this month, and I'm really excited to be featuring it on this pocket page. So this little label, this is the other side of the magic captured label, so I'm just using the rest of it. I'm going to add the date, the month, but I've decided to use the hazel again so that I'm not mixing another font in there. And then I'm just going to add a puffy heart. Really love this pocket page. It couldn't be more simple, but it shows off a great month with some beautiful products, especially that tag from the monthly kit. Hope you guys will check out the November 2022 monthly kit and add-ons from Elle Studio and see how they can help you record your best November memories. Be sure to click my video notes to find all the products that I used on this pocket page. Thanks so much for watching, and happy creating, friends!